Hello again, I'm Henry from Skimle, and today I'm showing our new feature, creating insights from chat. I start by creating a new root category, emotions. One of the critiques we've had is that Skimle is too inclusive. We never wanted you to miss any quotes, so when you do an analysis currently in Skimle, it picks up all kinds of quotes that could relate to the teams you selected. Um, but what we did with this chat now, you could previously create individual insights in chat, but it didn't work too well when you wanted to go through all your documents. So now we added this new agent that does it for you. Uh, Find quotes about deep joy or delight and create new insights. This data set that I'm analyzing is 6 books by Franz Kafka. And as you know, Kafka doesn't have a lot of joy and delight in his books. So the chat is great if you have some instances where some topic is discussed, but it doesn't necessarily occur throughout the dataset. So what our chat does, it does this kind of preview where it finds how many paragraphs there are and estimates how many insights you create with strict matching, where you really need to have content that matches your query, or this kind of inclusive matching that is a bit looser in their content. So it recommends that you create insights with strict matching, and the new subcategory fits under the emotions category I created. Okay, go ahead. And now you will see this agentic configuration. We go through all the documents, we are strict, we create a new category, and also if there are existing insights that fit in this target category, it doesn't create duplicates, but it copies the insights so that it's attached to multiple categories. I can open the configuration, but there's no reason for that. I can just run the analysis. And like all analysis, we go through your documents thoroughly, but this strict analysis is a bit less inclusive. So the new category won't be cluttered with tangential or like roughly matching content. This will take a while, and once it's done, you will see the screen will refresh, and after a while it will also generate a summary, category summary for those new insights. You need to refresh the screen later on to see the summary because it's created later on in the background. So this is something, it takes a while, but it's actually not too slow, and we would recommend you use this exactly for those things where you don't necessarily want or need to go through every paragraph in every document and like very inclusively map something. But this is great for just capturing those things where you know that this topic is discussed. Okay, let's see. Emotions, deep joy and delight. Oh, it already created the summary. And here you see the characters experience complex, intense happiness, how suicidal happiness can be. Yes. And profound sensory delight and happiness. You don't know why, nor do you want to know. You are just happy to hear the beloved person uttering them. And you can see that we found altogether 14 insights only. There was 1 in the Hunger Artist, 5 in America, and 8 in Castle. And if we would have done an inclusive analysis, we would have found more, and actually you can do it. Can you run an inclusive analysis with the same parameters otherwise. And of course, now it could be that the same parameters actually involve, oh, it doesn't create a new category. So I can run the analysis, and this will all again take a while, maybe too long for this video, but it will now add more new insights to this category. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please do try this. You can ask how to do this from the chat, but it's really about just telling that find quotes, add insights. Either of those phrases will typically work, and of course our chat also works in different languages. So if you find this useful, you can give feedback to us. You can also post comments underneath this video. Thank you so much for watching.